when all the world is looming dark and things seem not so clear, when shadows seem to hover round, Lord, may I persevere. When it seems everything's been tried and there's no way to go, just let me keep remembering sometimes the journey is slow. I may just need to stop and rest along the path I trod. A time to try to understand and have my talk with God. As I gain new strength to carry on without a doubt or fear. Somehow, I know things will be right. And so, I persevere.